Some of the riskiest legal matters are not the ones demanding attention. They are the ones that have quietly stopped moving. The activity and communication log provides a chronological history of work and communications associated with each matter. It can be used to record telephone calls, emails, meetings, internal reviews, research, client communications, and other meaningful activity. Each record can identify the matter ID, activity date, activity type, communication method, direction, participants, responsible person, and a summary or follow-up note. For client communications, the record can also indicate whether the activity should count as client contact. This distinction allows the workbook to calculate the last client communication date and identify matters that may require follow-up. For example, an internal document review may count as matter activity, but it would not necessarily count as communication with the client. A telephone call or email to the client can be marked appropriately so that the communication monitoring features remain meaningful. Over time, this worksheet creates a useful chronological record of what occurred and when. The full walkthrough shows how these alerts connect with the matter directory, activity log, dashboard, and one matter summary.